QuickPlan helps you to link tasks efficiently. You can link tasks directly by pressing either the function key or the shift key while clicking on a successor task. To use this feature, please enable it in the app's preferences. To link tasks using this method, you need to select a predecessor task and then press either the function key or the shift key while clicking on a successor task. Repeat this process for each pair of tasks you want to link. QuickPlan can help you link a chain of tasks more efficiently. Please enable it in the app's preferences. You can press both the option key and either the function key or the shift key together. Then, click on several tasks in sequence. QuickPlan will link each pair of adjacent tasks automatically.